Everybody, Double P here, and welcome to this today's trading session. So today's trading session is just a continuation play from yesterday's trading session where we went long on the QQQ, and now today with the strategy that I've showed you yesterday, today we're going short, and today we had a fantastic time going short. So let's get into the video really quickly so that you can see what's going on. First of all, as always, man of transparency, let's get into the account here so that you see it. Obviously, I got to blur out my details right here, but you can see here, full margin account. You see the time, it's October the 6th. All right, you see the time right there is 10:45. And then once again, I've got a couple of questions. Why does it say partially delayed data? This and that, blah, blah, blah. I've explained this many times. Let's go over it really quickly. Stock is in real time. I open it up, Amex, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, all real time. All right, so close that down there. Equity options, that's in real time. Futures and futures options. I don't trade futures. I don't trade futures options. I don't understand it. I'll wrap my head around it sooner or later one day, but my specialty and my execution is on options and stocks. So never, never, never go against your weaknesses and try to figure something out. If you're good at something, stick to it, be a master at it, continue to hone your craft, right? That's that. Forex is in real time, others in real time. So everything is right there. It's all in real time, right? So let's get into the trade today. So what we did is yesterday we shorted the QQQ. I'm sorry, we went long on the QQQ. Today we shorted it. And why did we short it? Well, here's my box. I drew out my box. All right. So what's the box you say? Well, it's the previous close from yesterday. And it is the 20. So let's go over it. So it's the previous close from yesterday, right? And then we have our 200, and then we have our 20. These are simple moving averages. I don't do exponential. I don't do weighted. I don't do priced. I just do simple moving average because it smooths it all out, makes it nice and clean, right? You get less chop, right? So it's a 200. We got our 20. I do have my singles for when it crosses and goes above and below the 20. Then we have the close of yesterday, and then we have the last 15 to 20 to 30 to 45 minutes of the high and the low of the last probably like 45 minutes to an hour, sometimes 30 minutes. So we take the last, whatever that time frame is. If it's an hour, we take the last high of that hour. We take the last low of that hour. We map that out. Or if it's the last 30 minutes, then we take we take the high of the last 30 minutes, then the low price of the last 30 minutes, and then that's how you draw your box, right? So when we draw the box, when it comes to the opening period, as you can see here, we're on a 5-minute chart right there. So what happens is when we open, this is the box, right? So anything that opens under the box and it opens right under the box, we look to go short. We look to take a short position. Anything that opens just above the box, we look at going long, right? So that's what we look at doing. Anything that opens inside of this box right here, there's two things you can do. This is what we call trading in a box or trading in a range. So sometimes you may not want to be trading in a range because you're going to be going back and forth inside of a range. So you're not really going to be making any momentum unless the strategy that you're going to be using is like a credit spread, or you're going to be selling premium, stuff like that. But if you're being directional, like you're a directional trader like myself, I'm an intraday options momentum scalper. So if I'm looking for a bullish or a bearish move, and I'm looking for momentum, either bullish or bearish momentum, I want to get in to a directional type of a trade because I want to get in hard and I want to get out fast, right? So that means I want to go in on scale and I want to get out, right? So you can do this. You can trade in a box. You can sit in that box and you can just do I guess what's called a delta neutral trade. So you're not breaking outside of that box. You're not breaking to the downside outside of that box or on the upside outside of that box. So basically you're sitting in there and you're just waiting. So this could be a daily. This could be on the hour. I'm an intraday momentum option scalper. So what we like to do is I trade, like I said, I do my setup on the 5-minute candle and I trade on the 1-minute candle, right? So when this trade opened up here, and I'll show you everything here. I'll show you what I sent out to my Platinum Trader members. This is the box, right? So this is everything. This is why this is why I executed this trade, and this is why the trade went so well. So everything above here, right? That was a short for me. This was my position right here to take my absolute profit, right? That was it right there. And as you can see here, I'll show you, that's kind of when I got out, right? So let's go over to the first thing we're going to go over is to the, let me show you my order fill so that you see that right there, okay? So here's the order fill. And I'm in one of my other accounts. Well, it doesn't matter. I've got a few corporate accounts that I run with. So in today's account, we're working in a tax advantage account. So you see what I bought here. I bought 100 contracts at $294. And that was my fill at $9.49, and you see exactly when I got out. Sold 100 contracts at $4.44. So that was an absolute incredible, almost doubled my money, right? So that was the fill. Let's come over here, and you're going to see the text alert that I sent out. And like I said, I'm a man of transparency so that you see everything. This is what I sent out to my platinum traders. Again, this was a quick scalp trade. I bought the October 8th, 21 QQQs 356 strike put, right? And I told them to get in at 328. I got in a little bit earlier, but I wanted to make sure the trade was developing so that they were very profitable. And you see here what I said here, I'm looking for plus 30% and minus 10% on the stop loss, right? So let's come out of here and then you'll see, so my entry point, let's come over here again to the order fill, 949 out at 10, right? So that was literally, what do we got there? 10, 17, 18, maybe 18 minutes, right? So 9:48, so let's come over here. Let's go to 9:50, 9:55. So right here, you'll see this candle right here, right? Just right around this area right here, this is my entry point, right? And then let's drop it down to the 1 minute so that you guys can see on the 1 minute. So let's open this up right here. And let me scroll back over here. So we go 9:48. There we go. 9:48. You'll see exactly when I took my position. And then out at, what time was I out at? Just look at my order fill once again. Order fill was 10:07. So let's go over to, sorry, I think I'm catching a little bit of a cold again. 10:07. So right, yeah, so right there, right? That was when I got out. Notice, you see right here, that's my absolute stop. So anything above this line right there, because that was my profit, I laid everything out. From this point all the way down to here, I said, that's it. That's the profit. That's when I exit the trade. If it gets any higher than that, that's when I get out of the trade, right? And what did we do? 10:07. Look, right on the 1 minute candle, that broke that line. That broke that line. And then look at what happened after it broke that line. Boom, right? So I knew exactly when to get in. I knew exactly when to get in. And then when to get out, right? And as you can see right here, let's go over what was my profit. There you go. Boom. Nice $15,000 profit today. And always I make sure my stuff is copyrighted. Do not steal. Do not take my stuff. Don't copy my screenshots, blah, 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 right? You guys know the deal. Or some of you should know the deal, right? So that was plus 43%, $15,000. We're good to go on literally on what's that, 19 minute trade. And that's how we do it at the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. So if you like this video, you like the content that I'm giving you, the live trading that I'm giving you. I'm doing live trades every day with my group, sent it out to my group. My group made money. Now, if you would like to be part of our Platinum Traders group, somewhere in this video, I don't know, it's going to be up or it's either going to be down or on the left or the right or somewhere. It's going to be a link. There's all sorts of content that I have on my site. Click on it, go over there. I give away another 2 hours of, I think it's another 2 hours of free training that you can devour. And then obviously I show you more stuff. If you want to become a member, look, all you got to do is click that link, enter. I'll give you a good, I'm telling you, I'm being 100% transparent with you. You go over to the site, you enter your name and your email address at the site there. I'm gonna send you content, hard-hitting, hard, actionable content that you can learn from. I mean, if you don't want to buy it from me, don't buy it from me. Look at what I'm doing. Look at what I'm sharing with you every day. This is for you. I'm helping you and I'm showing you how to become a better trader. Why am I doing it? I'm doing it for the point that if this is good for you and you love this kind of stuff, imagine what you're going to get behind the membership site. Imagine the type of content that I have behind the membership site. I mean, you'll see it, right? You'll see it. You'll go over there. You'll see the sales page. I'm not gonna shy away from it. It's right there for you. It's your decision. You want to be a better trader. You want to be a kick-ass trader. You want to be an intraday momentum option scalper. Yes, we do swing trades. Yes, we do. You can invest. I invest. A lot of my members invest. But I'm an intraday momentum option scalper, right? That's my specialty. So I like to be in and out of the market super quick, right? I've told you guys this many times, and girls, I've told you many times, I'm in and out of the marketplace. I don't like to hold positions more than an hour, maybe 2 hours. Can I do day trades? Sure. Can I do swing trades? Sure, I've done them, right? But intraday is where it's at. So if you like that information, come over here and click on or is this way? I don't even know which way it is, but come over here, look at the subscribe button, click on that subscribe button, click on that like button, smash that like button for me. Share this video with your friends. I'm here for you. My name's Double P. I'll see you in the profit zone. Take care, everybody.